Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another try on haul. So for today's video guys, I have a parcel. Ayan, binuksan ko na tong parcel na to. I show you guys. Okay. This is a stockings, red stockings. So let's try on haul this. I really like to try this one. Okay, so guys, I don't use this. Okay, I don't use this. I just do this for a try on haul. Okay, I don't use this again. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course, and comment below if you like the video, and comment heart if you like the item. Okay, so gusto ko lang i-try on haul to. Okay, so I really wanted to have this. Actually, this is not my idea to have this, but one of my friends told me, okay, you try this kind of stockings. Oh my gosh, a sexy one. Nakita nyo? No. It's a red stocking. It's just a net. Okay, sige. So dalawa siya guys. Okay, ganito siya. I bought is from Shopee. May paganito siya. Actually, this is my first time to have also. Again, I don't use this. But anyway, this is just for a content. Ayan. So, ganito siya guys. But I can upload video also this one in my Patreon. So, you join also to my Patreon. Okay? Ayan. Ganito siya guys. I-stocking lang to siya guys. This is like, paano ba? It's like this. Okay, and it's a net. As you can see, it's a red net on there. Okay, a red heart. Okay, net siya, and then there is a heart shape. Can you see guys? Okay, it's a red or maroon. Okay, it looks like maroon or red. Okay, maroon, because this one is red, right? Okay, so we will wear this. Silang dalawa, and then okay guys, there is a ribbon also. You guys, I really like ribbons. Okay, this is ribbons, and then ito siya also is basta ganito siya. Okay, it's hard to explain. Oo. Okay, let's wear this. Let's go. So guys, this is the the stockings guys. Ayan, maganda naman siya yung kanyang dito. I really like it guys. Medyo lang talaga, hindi ako sanay magsuot ng ganito. Okay, so pinadresan ko siya ng panty rin na ganito. Ayan, butas na. Oo. Ayan siya guys, maganda siya. Look sexy, maganda yung quality. Actually guys, hindi ko talagang ganito to. But anyway, kasi nandito na to, okay, I will flex it, okay? Ayan siya. I hope you like it, guys. Ayan. Yung kanyang pattern is dito may mga heart siya. May mga heart siya, guys. And then, same din dito sa, guys, as you can see. Oo. And this one also, ayan, ganyan ka na lang. Maganda siya, guys, like this. Dito ay may talaga siya na ko ng nails ko, okay? Ganda siya guys. And same din dito guys. I hope you like the video. Ayan, comment heart. May mga heart kasi dyan. Thank you for watching guys.